What's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to completely disassemble everything on your door on a 5th generation Honda Prelude. So, let's go over here and start dismantling the door. Alright, I've now taken off all the screws to, the door latch, this part, the lock and door handle, and the thing that just bolts it down. What I found interesting is that I found some broken glass from when I was broken into, because this is not the original window. I had to replace this one. The next step is to take out all these little bolts. I'm just taking the bolts to the freaking window motor out. Actually, I think I need 2 hands for this. Nope, I got it. I'm just left-handed. Alright, I have the window motor assembly out. I believe since, for whatever reason, these aren't bolted to the glass, I can just slide the glass out and then pull this out through the top. Okay, yeah, so just unbolt everything from the window motor, and then you should be able to push it down and then pull the glass out of the frame. That one's already undone. Take off that bolt. I'm not going to film me doing it because I don't want to break this, but I'm sure you know what to do. Window glass is out. However, my method of doing things is not really the best, but if you're just trying to tear down a door, it will work. Well, I figured this out. I'm just taking off the weather stripping because I do need it for that door. That one's fucked. Now that the weather stripping is off, it exposes these bolts. I'm going to take these off. And I'm now taking off this set of weather stripping. Oh, come on. Whatever. I really need like a tripod or something. Alright, well, I'll take it off. Just a tip for getting this off. Once you get here, go to the other side and pull it up, and then it'll come out much easier. Anyways, now we're going to take off this piece of rubber. Or not. Well, that's supposed to be to this part of the window track. And taking this off should allow us to take out the metal part and just tear it out. But it appears to be stuck. Again, I need more than one hand. I went ahead and took off this little piece of plastic around here just to make it easier to take this stuff off. Okay, to really get this off, the rubber, you got to take it off from in here first, then pull it up around, and then you can take it all the way off. To separate this from the metal track, I just took a screwdriver, and I was kind of careful with it. I got a little bit of a hole, pried it, and pulled, and it came out. So then I can just be very careful in here. Some of these edges are sharp. Pull them up and pull it out. Pardon the rain. Once you're in a position like this, you can just kind of slide it, pop it out. Be careful not to rip it. And then once you're close enough, you should be able to just pull it up through the hole. What I did is once I got it enough it out, I reached in, grabbed it through the hole, pulled it out, and then now that I'm out down here, you can just pull the rest of it out. And it should come free. There we go. So now this is the interior one. So I'm just gonna throw that out there. And so now, this metal piece I was trying to get out earlier, I should be able to just pull it out. Yep. Except the latch is in the way, I think. I really do need 2 hands, and it's raining pretty hard now. Hang on. So this, I had to, because it was like this in there. This bottom part kept getting stuck on the latch, so I just flipped it around so that it wasn't and pulled it out. So away it goes into the stack, and we continue our tear down. So now we can just pull the latch up and out. Hold up. Okay, I might want to disconnect all these first. So yeah, it comes off on this side, and then you can simply take off this clip, and there's another one. No, it was just this clip and this clip. And then now, you just pull it all out, mostly. There's a door latch assembly. Next thing I'm gonna do is take off this mirror. So there's one bolt. It is not a 10 mil. I believe it is 7 or 8, and 4 screws. And this mirror should be able to come off. Also remember, unlike last time where I forgot, I'm going to take this out. And then, yeah, I'll try and pull the harness out through it, and then I'll figure out how to get the window motor out. Oh, I misspoke earlier. It's just these three screws get this out, and this goes to this window track, and that should allow me to just pull it out through the side. However, once I have the mirror off, it'd be a lot easier to do. I was right, this is an 8 millimeter, and the rest of them on the door that weren't screws are 10 millimeters. Just for reference. Shit. Right now I'm prying off this little metal piece. Okay. It is an absolute pain in the ass, but if you pry it hard enough, these clips will come out. You just gotta take a screwdriver, just, yep. And there we go, it's out. Nice. For the motor assembly in this, just wiggle it around and you can pull it out through this gap that we have created. It is slightly big enough. Just don't get it high centered on here. For this harness, to get it out, there's a lot of these plastic clips. I just try and take a screwdriver and just twist it. They usually come out in one piece, although I've broken 2 of them now over this whole entire door. So it is something to keep in mind. And then, yep, see? Still in one piece. Then there's one here and there's one here. For any others you see on the door, just push them in. Finally, to get this thing out, there's 2 clips, one here and one on the other side. You want to take 2 screwdrivers, push them together, and then push in, and it will pop out just like this. There's also another plastic clip here. I already got it out. But that's just in case you didn't have yours out yet. Now, we can pull this through. There's a door harness. Alright, so the very last thing on this door is this. I hate these bolts. And I believe you can just pull it out. Yeah. So once you get the bolts out, it should fall and you can just pull it out. Once you take the bolts out, you can wiggle this around, but it won't really do much. So take a screwdriver like so, and just like that. And now that is how you disassemble a door on a 5th generation Honda Prelude.